To use Pay Later with PayPal, you first need to have a PayPal account. If you don't have one, sign up for a personal account on the PayPal website or through the mobile app. Once you have an account, you can start using Pay Later. Pay Later with PayPal is a payment feature that allows you to pay for purchases after you have received them. There are two main options available: Pay in 4 and Pay Monthly. Pay in 4 allows you to split your payment into 4 equal installments over 6 weeks, while Pay Monthly allows you to split your payment into monthly installments over a period of up to 2 years. To use Pay Later, start by shopping online at a participating merchant. When you get to the checkout page, select PayPal as your payment method. You will then be redirected to the PayPal login page where you will enter your email address and password to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see the Pay Later option if it is available for that purchase. Select Pay Later and choose either Pay in 4 or Pay Monthly. You will then see the payment schedule and the total amount you will pay, including any interest charges. If you choose to proceed, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of the payment plan. Once you have agreed, the payment will be processed and you will receive an email confirmation of the payment schedule. To make payments, log into your PayPal account and go to the activity page. You will see the upcoming payment due dates and the amount due. You can also set up automatic payments so that the installments are paid automatically from your linked payment method. It is essential to review the terms and conditions of Pay Later before using it. Make sure you understand the interest charges and the payment schedule. Also, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your linked payment method to avoid late payment fees. By following these steps, you can use Pay Later with PayPal to pay for purchases over time. This feature can be helpful for managing large purchases or when you need a little extra time to pay. However, it is crucial to use it responsibly and make timely payments to avoid any negative impact on your credit score.